Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money with Facebook selling other people's product. In other words, let's say that how to make money doing affiliate marketing on Facebook. So it's so easy. I'm going to break it down step by step. So let's get started. So let me just show you how much money I made with my Facebook profile. So this is my uh, PayPal dashboard. You can see that I made $448. So, and this is my Facebook profile, and I made this post. Let me just take it for you. Oh yeah, this one. So I made this one post, and I made three sale, which made me almost $130, $35 in one single day. So and I make posts like this every week, and I make a couple around 200 to $100 per post. Yeah. So let me just break it down for you in a simple way. So all you need is a Facebook profile, and you just need to have a good looking Facebook cover photo and if and a feature photo. So I have a feature photo here and then a cover photo. Now why is that? So when someone come to my profile, when they click on my cover photo, he see there's a link over here, saying that 10K a month blueprint. So that's a uh, course that I promote. It's over $1,400, and then I will be making $700 per sale. And then I have a link, saying book a call with me. So that's a strategy that I use for the cover photo. And then I have a future photo, that's directing to the link above it. The same thing, the one link is taking them to my Facebook group, and one for book a call with me. So once you have that, the next thing you need is to start publish content. You just need to start sharing your experience, your story with your audience. So we all have stories that we can share. Some, or if you're thinking that you don't have anything to share, just go and read a book, and then and whatever you learn from there, just some points, some value that you can share, just post it here. Or maybe some quotes that you get from the anywhere from, just Google it and then just post it. Then the third thing what we need is a targeted friends. So if I'm currently selling is some mastermind mentorship program for people who want to hit 10K a month, with doing affiliate marketing. So there are people who are, who are in this space, have tried so much in the past, bought so many courses and haven't got any results. So those are people, that I'll be adding. So I'll be going into targeted Facebook groups that are related to affiliate marketing, and then I'll be adding them as my friends. So I'll add around 50 people per day. So I will add 50 people from each group per day, and you can do like 20 per day, because you don't have to do much, because sometimes Facebook can shut your account if you're doing too much activity. My account is too, it's like around, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 years old. So yeah, till now I didn't have any issue with that. The next thing is that send outreach message to. So if you add 50 people a day and around 20 people accept the request on the same day, what you need to do is that send them a message, say that, hey, good connecting with you, hope you're doing good, how's your week going. So something, even something related to their profile. Check their profile, see where they're from, and then send a nice message, and just introduce yourself. Don't send too much big message, just a short one. And the next thing what we need to do is that get to know them, literally just get to know them, from what they're doing, and try to understand if they have any problem they're facing in the affiliate marketing space. So how I do that, I honestly ask them directly, if are you into affiliate marketing. If they are not my ideal customer, so I won't spend time with, talking with this stranger. I don't want to waste my time, so I just ask them, after a few messages, I'm gonna ask them, hey, how are you into affiliate marketing? And then I'll then dig deep and ask them, how is it going for them? Are they making any money with it? Or are they happy with what they're doing? So I'm gonna ask them some deep questions on that, and then I will find, and I'll see that if they are facing any pain points, and that's when I provide my solution. So you can't just send them your link directly. It's not going to work, especially if you're selling high ticket. So all you need to do is that add friends and start posting content on your profile, and then when someone accepts your request, send them a message, and try to understand, try like literally just get to know them, try to understand what's going on in their life and how they're going with their affiliate marketing, and see if your product's a good fit for them, and just recommend them. That's it. You don't have to be pushy. You just have to recommend them. Hey, this product has helped me to make X amount of money. Maybe you should give it a try. Now there is a now this is just honestly just a small bit of what actually it is. So there is a lot of things like if they won't respond, you can do follow up with them. There's honestly sales messages, sales script that you can use on them, and there's a lot of ways. So if you want to fast track your results and hit 10K a month, then there's a link in the description. You can check that out. I highly recommend if you're planning, if you're after the market is struggling, to make at least a 1K, 3K a month. To hit 10K a month, you just need 10 sale. That's not a hard thing. If you're selling, see, if you're selling $100 product, you're just wasting your time. I mean, the thing is that there's two ways we can earn money from Facebook. One thing is that just make one single post. You can make around $100 per post, and then the second way is that you go to your messenger, you talk with people, and these people will be interested in what we have. And if you're selling $1,000 product, you're gonna make that $1,000 as a commission. So that's the best part. So if you're interested in learning deep about affiliate marketing and how to do that, and want to learn sales, closing, branding, all those stuff, there's a link in the description. Watch the case study and book a call with the team. So yeah, hope you guys got some value in it. So hope this will help. It's easy, it's really easy. You don't have to make it complicated. It's really easy, guys. Just you have to be consistent with your content, and then just follow these things. That's it. See you guys soon. Bye bye.